The water now is about 50 ml, this much of water. Let's see, right? This is a 100 ml beaker. It's only reached 50 ml. Now pour a little bit of water into the measuring cylinder. Now it's about 20 ml. Right, we shall insert this marble inside. This is 16 mm diameter marble. Now the value is about 22 ml.